Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be reviewing Nykaa Beauty Box Pink Friday sale. So before getting to the video, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos of mine. So in this box they have given 2 cards and 1 guidebook, and this card listed all the product details that I have received to understand each and every product easily. And this is the second card that they have written for me for purchasing the beauty box, that I have saved 2345 rupees. And the next one is beauty book. It guides for skin, makeup and hair, and it will help in many ways for us. The first product is Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. These are soft cloths, offer you exceptional cleansing and makeup removal at your fingertips. These are gently and effectively removes all the dirt, oil and makeup in seconds, and it removes even waterproof mascara and leaves skin thoroughly clean and with no heavy residue, and there is no need to rinse again. These are very soft and I really loved it. The second product is Nykaa Serial Kisser Lip Balm, and say goodbye to chapped lips with this hydrating lip balm that glides on smoothly and leaves behind a natural sheen, enriched with almond oil, jojoba oil and vitamin E. The third product is Palmer's Olive Oil Formula Deep Conditioning Pack, loaded with the goodness of extra virgin olive oil and botanical complex. It repairs the dry and damaged hair in minutes. The fourth product is Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Wash. It helps in replenish and lock the skin natural moisture. Step out of the shower with cleansed, visibly healthy looking and moistured skin with this oatmeal infused body wash. The fifth product is the Mom's Co Natural Vita-Rich Face Serum. This serum repairs and penetrates deep into your skin for improved hydration, and it reduces the pigmentation. It is very useful for people who are suffering with the acne, pimples and pigmentation. And the next sixth product is Faces Canada High Shine Nail Polish. The shade is nude or light orange, I don't know, but it looks very nice. And the seventh product is Mamaearth Upton Face Pack for experienced spot-free even skin tone with the richness of saffron, turmeric and apricot oil. It is a all-in-one mask. And the eighth product is Olay Luminous Serum, pearl-like radiance in a bottle, and it eliminates dark spots and dullness for beautiful even skin tone, and it works very well. Personally, I really love this serum. It's formulated with niacinamide, pro vitamin B5, vitamin E and saponin. And next, the ninth product is M Caffeine Body Essential Kit. The products comes in a small pouch like a bag, and it looks very cute. This is a coffee body scrub and it is for normal to oily skin, and it is India's first caffeinated personal care brand. The ingredients are natural ingredients, no chemical is added. The second product is coffee body polishing oil with vitamin E. It is for all skin types. In this oil, the ingredients are sunflower oil, rice bran oil, almond oil. All natural oils are added in this oil. And next, the 10th product is Nivea Deodorant Deo Milk Sensitive Roll-On. It is 0% alcohol formula, gives you 48-hour odor protection, leaving a pleasant fragrance, while the milk essence gives you beautiful and nourished underarms. The 11th product is Kaya Tea Tree Purifying Face Wash. It's a mild and sulfate free that removes dirt, impurities and excess oil. It contains tea tree oil, vitamin B3 and polyglutamic acid. It is best suited for normal to oily and acne prone skin. The 12th product is Nykaa hand and nail cream. It smells very awesome and it's prepared with love to give your hands odorless of nourishment and care. So the final product, 13th one, is K Beauty Metallic Lip Highlighter. It's just what you need to glam up your everyday lip look. It is enriched with chamomile plus marula oil and it gives a very shiny look on your lips. This is all about the products I got from the Nykaa Pink Beauty Box Friday sale, and it was like very much pretty good that I invest on good things, and I will share the link in the description below. If you want it, you can purchase it, and I hope this video is helpful to you all. Thank you for watching. Bye.